Good morning. I am Muhammad Ahad of class 12B. First of all, I am very thankful to my biology teacher Mr. Abhinav who gave me this opportunity to expressing myself. Today I will discuss about the topic human disease. Human disease are of two types, acquired and congenital. Congenital are the disease that we have inherited from our parents. That, for example, genetic disorder. The disease that we have genetically passed disease are congenital. Another disease that is acquired. Acquired disease are disease that we having after birth. These that we having after birth. Acquired disease are of two type: communicable and non-communicable. Communicable or infectious disease are disease that transfer from infected person to healthy person, and another that is non-communicable or non-infectious disease, and that caused due to deficiency of some protein, mineral, or vitamins, like deformities. This the infectious or communicable disease are of two type, that is congenital and that is contagious and non-contagious. Contagious disease are vector-borne disease or for which no vector required. For example, coronavirus. As an infected coronavirus person exhale air, so many with air droplet many coronaviruses will come in air. If any nearby person inhale that air, so he will also get infected. Another disease that is non-infected, that is non-contagious, for which disease vector required. Now we will discuss the health affected factors. First factor, that is genetic disorder. Second one is infection, and third one is lifestyle. Third one is lifestyle, including resources. Now we will discuss about now we will differentiate between symptom and sign. Symptom, for example, we having fever, for by which we will for which we will able to know that any pathogen affecting our body, but we will not be able to know what which pathogen affect our body. But another is sign. So by sign we have to know that which pathogen affecting our body. For example, we having problem wheezing, breathing difficulty, and cough, so by which we have to know that we having pneumonia, that we should having pneumonia. Now we will discuss about various disease, and the disease that is the disease that infect human beings, the viruses, fungus, and bacteria, protozoa, plasmodiums. These various diseases infect human beings. The disease like salmonella typhi that cause typhoid in human beings. That cause typhoid in human beings. Symptom of this disease is sustained high fever, stomach pain, headache, and loss of appetite. This disease typhoid confirmed by vital test. The nickname of the typhoid is Mary Mellon. And another disease, that is pneumonia, that caused by bacteria like Streptococcus pneumonia and all Haemophilus influenza. And this in this disease in this disease fluid filled in alveoli of lungs, and due to which respiratory problems are occur. Another disease, that is viral disease, due to that caused due to rhinoviruses. Nose and nasal passage affected, but not the lungs. And the disease after that disease is dengue fever. In this caused by flavivirus. There are no specific treatment of this disease. Symptom of this disease are headache, high fever, and joint and muscle pain, and also behind the eyelashes. And the disease after that disease is chikungunya, caused by alpha virus. The best thing that we should avoid this disease, as there are no specific treatment for this disease. Meditation can help to reduce the symptom. The symptom of this disease is high fever with 104 degree Fahrenheit temperature, and also serve and also headache and rashes, muscle pain. The disease after that disease is malaria that caused by protozoa is responsible for this disease. Different plasmodium responsible like P. falciparum, P. malaria, and P. vivax. P. falciparum is the cause most serious and malignant malaria. The king coconut tree is used for treating the for treat for use for medicine to make the medicine of malaria. Some medicine like anti-malarial drug like quinine, chloroquine are used for malaria. And also female Anopheles mosquito is mainly responsible for this disease. Another disease that is ascariasis. This caused by and amoeba histolytica. In this disease, internal bleeding, fever, and muscular pain occur. Another disease that is elephantiasis, that caused by filarial worm. It causes chronic inflammation. Symptom are heat and redness. etc. are symptom. The type of another disease that is ringworm, that is fungal, that cause fungal infection. The various type of ringworm are Trichopython, Microsporum, and Epidermopython. So in this video we have discussed the various disease and human disease types and science differences between sign and symptom, and we are also some discussing about the various diseases that cause in humans. I hope these all things are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.